Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Klarna to your Wix website. All right, so first up, go ahead and select the site. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to its setting, okay? The website setting. In the left panel, we have that here. Just click on it. And here we have finance and payments. Click on accept payments. Now, depending on the region, your payment methods right here displayed will be different, okay? As you can see here, I'm from the Philippines. The recommended payments right here are PayPal and manual payments right here. Okay, so just click on see more if you can't see Klarna. Go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see Klarna. Okay, especially if you live in the US. Let's say I'm going to change this one to United States. Choose. And as you can see, Klarna is available. Okay, so just go ahead and click on see more payments. Now at the very bottom, click on more third-party payment methods. Click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, we have Stripe, Priority, Bankful, and here we have Klarna. Just hit on connect and you'll be able to find a form. Now, as it says here, just enter your Klarna credentials in the form below. Click connect. And once done, once you have entered your information right here, okay, you're going to want to go back to settings. If this one right here still says connect, again, just go ahead and click on connect and re-enter the details. Same with what you've entered on Klarna. Okay, so hit on connect, continue, and then once done, you're good to go. There you have it. That's how you add Klarna to your Wix website. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.